Hey guys, so I bought a Coleman CT200U Mini Bike about a month ago. It's been a lot of fun, just been riding around here along the canals and back streets in South Florida where I live. It's maxing out about 20 miles an hour, which I think is pretty standard for most of them when they come out of the box. So I did some research and wanted to do what I can to make it go faster. So I found that OMB Warehouse has a kit that's about $200. It comes with a mounting plate for the engine so you can lift it up, intake and exhaust, torque converter, and also a cover, and you also get a jet for the carb. So it's going to be a lot of fun after I install it. I wanted to do an unboxing video for you guys. I haven't seen one online that kind of shows you everything that's inside and what to expect, along with like a before and after when you install it. So I hope you enjoy the video. So that's the box that I got from OMB Warehouse. Haven't opened it yet. Has like a invoice right there. CT200U. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my my EDC to open it up. No big deal. So there's another box inside. Let's take it. Chain. This looks like the jet for the carb. Mounting plate with the hardware, nuts and bolts. Spark plug. See the chain. Not sure what these are. So this is the exhaust muffler. This looks like the filter. Filter with the adapter for the carb. Some more hardware to mount it. Cover for the torque converter. Belt. And then this plate and all the stuff that comes with the torque converter. Mounting hardware, it looks like. that looks like it's it for the kit that you get from OMB warehouse. The cover, torque converter, mounting hardware, belt, spark plug. This looks like a jet, and gasket, chain. Then you got the mounting plate with all the hardware for the engine. Intake filter with the adapter for the carb and also the hardware to put it on. Exhaust pipe with the muffler. That's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and tear down the CT200U and get all the stuff put on.